Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily delete all text messages from your iPhone at once. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first get into Messages. Then hit on Edit, select Messages, and now you are able to select multiple messages at once. All you have to do is just checkmark one message and then just to move your finger across all that radio buttons, and the page scrolls down. In that way you can checkmark all the messages at once. As you can see, I got not too much messages, but if you got a lot of them, it obviously can take some time. Once you've checkmarked all the messages, you can just hit right here at delete and then delete again to remove all the text messages at once. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.